Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate what is the difference between the Rankx and the top N function with a simple example. Here I have taken a list of categories. In this category columns, I have taken 5 multiple values which are repeated with random numbers. Okay. Before starting the real video, let me show what is the summarized value for each category. So here I am taking category, let's say, and also getting this value here, converting into table visual. So if I want to bring the second highest category with the rank X and the top N functionalities, I can see clearly the second highest category will be the C because it is having 93 and it is, as we can see that these values are sorted in the descending manner. So let's start with the top N example. To do that, I am getting a new table function. Uh, since it's the top N functionalities, first I need to and I want to bring the second highest. It means second highest can be extracted with from the top two, and after that I need to extract the top one. Between those two tables, I can get the exceptional value that which will be the second highest. So let me rename this table as second highest by top n equal to where top 2 equal to top n. N value will be 2 at the first time. Here it is asking table. Order by expression will be sum of the table value and it will be descending. Let me first check whether this expressions is giving me my desired result or not. Okay, let me get a table visual category and then value. No, it is not giving me the desired figure because I need only this B and C category in the top two, but here I am getting everything. So I need to modify the expression. Here I am getting all the values. It means the table should be summarized in some way. So instead of this table, I am writing summarize. Summarize. Then it will be first pass is the table. Okay. Now it is asking group by column name one. So by which category it should be, but I mean by which column it should be grouped? It should be table category. And then we will calculate the total value. Let's see by sum of the value. So sum of the table value. Okay. Let me check whether it is giving me the correct figure or not. No. Why? See details. Something wrong. Stop and something's wrong with one or more fields. So here I am guessing this sum of table value should be summarized. Calculate sum of table value. Let's see whether it works or not. Let me fix this. Okay. Let me get the total value. Yes, it is fixed. So now it is giving me my desired value here. Okay. Now let me check the top one with the same function, same way. So I'm copying this formula and pasting it here. Here I will write top one and here I will just change it to 1. Return top 1. Let's see whether it is working or not. It is working, top 1. But I need the second highest now. So to get the second highest, let us use the except function. What does the except function saying? Except function is return the rows of the left side table which do not appear in the right side table. Obviously, we will keep the top 2 in the left side table. So here top 1. Let us check 6. The second hash category is just appeared. Okay. Now the same operation can be done with the Rankx function. So to do that, let me select this table and now get a new table function. Let's see. I will write this one as second highest by rank x equal to where top 2. So here the rank x is actually a measure function. To utilize a rank x within a table, I need to get some table function here. So we have already seen with the top n that we need to use the summarize functionalities here. So here also I am using the summarize function first, summarize, and here in the table I am going to use the let's say filter functionalities because I want to get the only 2 values here. So the table will be filtered based on the rank. So let's us use filter function here. Filter table. Here filter expression will be rank x. Table expression will be some value descending. And here it should be less than equal to 2. Okay. Because I want only 2 things. And also for the other process of the summarize functions. Now here I want this table category, then total value, sum of value. Let's see first whether this expression is giving me the correct figure or not. To do that, let us write this top 2 whether is giving me the correct figure or not. Let me get a table here. This is the second highest by rank x, then category. No, it is not giving me the correct figure. Why? The reason is, first of all, there are 2 mistakes here. Rank x, the function, it define the rank uh, it based on each row, and it is actually the filtering thing, and we need to stop this filtering action of this rank x. So to do that, I have to define, I have to need to take all function here, and it will be table category here. Okay, now, okay, let me check whether it is giving the correct figure or not. Also not, because here also I need to fix the thing, all table category here. And another thing here, it will be calculate, so that we will get the summarized value. See, so it is giving me the top 2 now. Okay, C93 is the second highest category and the top 1 is the B113. So to get the top 1, I will use the same functionalities. Just I will change copying this thing here, and shift enter here, top 1, and it will be less than equal to 1. Let's see whether I'm getting top 1 on correctly or not. Enter. Yes, it is giving me the correct figure, B113. So here I will again use that except function, top 2, comma, top 1. So this is the thing. Now let's check what is the issue, what are the differences, the actual differences. In this one is the second has by top n. So let me give a table name here for segregation purpose. Top n functionality. Here it is rank X functionality. Okay. So let me open performance analyzer here. I'll start the recording here and refresh the visuals. See that here the top end functionality is getting the highest time. Okay. And the Rankx functionality is getting the lowest functionality. The DAX query execution time is 12 millisecond here. And here the DAX query in the top end functionality is 17 millisecond here. Okay. And other things is taking visual display and other things also taking the lower time than the top end functionalities. So it depends on the actions basically, where you will get lesser time or where you're getting more time. Okay. So that's it for today. See you guys.